Welcome back. Today we will do week 5, day 5 of our DC Math Learning Packet. Let's get started. Now it's time for our daily fluency. Fill in the missing numbers in these skip counting patterns. Well, I've already highlighted some things that are important for us in each one of these skip counting patterns. What I've highlighted in yellow shows that I'm going to be counting up or forward. When I count up or forward, I'm going to increase the number. The number is getting bigger and bigger. What I've highlighted in blue lets us know that the number is decreasing or getting smaller and smaller because I'm counting backwards. Let's look at D for our example. So, D says that we're going to skip count forward by 5. We're starting at the number 19. The next number is 24. This number is missing, so we have to figure it out. If I have 24, I put 24 in my head and I count up 5 more. So let's do that. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. The missing number here is 29. Okay, now the next number, 29 plus 5 is 34. 34 plus 5 is 39. Uh-oh, I've got a missing number. I can count up to get what goes in that skip count pattern. Put 39 in your head, count up 5. Ready? Let's get started. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So 44 is my missing number. And 44 plus 5 is 49. Well, let's look at F because F is letting me know that I'm counting backwards. If I'm at 27 and I count backwards by 5, I land at 22. If I'm at 22 and I'm going to count backwards by 5, let's see where I would land. Remember, I'm counting backwards. I'm counting backwards by 5. Ready? Put 22 in my head, count backwards. What comes before 22? 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. 17 is my missing number. If I'm at 12 and I count backwards by 5, let's do it. Ready? Begin. Put 12 in my head, count backwards. What's the number that I count that comes before 12? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 7 is my missing number. If I have 7 and I count back 5, let's do it. Ready? Put 7 in your head and count backwards. What comes before 7? 6. Ready? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 2 is my missing number. All right, I want you to pause the tape here and I want you to finish the rest on your own. All right, so let's look at a quick review of what we've done yesterday, or what we did yesterday, which look at even and odd numbers. We know even numbers are all have a pair or partners. Nobody is left by themselves, so they're all in equal groups. In an odd number, something's left out, something doesn't have one, so it's left without one that has a partner, so it's called an odd number. Looking at this example, what we can see, we're seeing that we're adding some numbers together. It says solve. Tell if each number is odd or even. Well, we see the number 11. We know because we have a 1 in the ones place, it's odd. We see the number 13. It's also odd because there's a 3 in the ones place. So when I take two odd numbers and add them together, I end up with an even number. All right, let's look at the let's try. This is what we're going to work on together. Use the objects to create an array. So first I have to find out how many objects I have. Here I have some counters. So I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 counters here. Therefore, I'm going to take my 10 counters and I'm going to put them in an array. So remember, I want to put them in an array. Therefore, I'm going to make groups of 2 because I want to see if they're even or if they're odd. We're going to see if they could fit into groups of 2. All right, I've taken all of the chips in section A and I've put them into an array. And there were 10 chips. These 2 are in a partner, these 2 have a partner, these 2 have a partner, these 2 are partners, and these 2 are partners. Therefore, 10 has to be an even number because each one has a partner. Now let's move to the next section. It says redraw. That means I'm going to draw something again. Re means again. Redraw your picture with one less circle. All right, I'm going to pause the tape here and I'm going to draw it. And remember, I have to take out one of my circles. So when I redrew my picture, I had to take out 1. I had 10. When I take 1 away, that leaves me with 9. 9 is an odd number, as we can see, because 1 is left without a partner. Now, let's go on to the next section. Section number 2. It says solve. Tell if each number is odd or even. All right, so let's do that. Okay, everyone, so we have 17. 17 is an odd number. How do I know 17 is odd? Because there's a 7 in the ones place. The next number is 2. 2 is an even number. When we take an odd number plus an even number and add it together, we end up with an odd number. Well, let's check to see if we're right. 17 plus 2 is 19, and 19 is odd because there's a 9 in the ones place. All right, everyone, I know you're ready to work on this problem set out on your own. Go right ahead, do your best job, and we'll see you next week.